In an age where a 17-year-old can transform into an internet sensation overnight, it's a wonder we remain astounded by the exponential rise of online businesses. Yet the digital world continues to awe us, proving time and again that the internet is fertile ground for the seeds of entrepreneurial ambition. If the thought of creating a business right from your laptop tantalizes your inner entrepreneur, then gear up. 2024 could be the year you write your own digital success story. Navigating the seemingly saturated markets of the online business world may seem daunting, yet statistics and stories sparkle with promise. Are you ready to evolve from being a passive digital consumer to a proactive digital entrepreneur? Let's dissect the essentials of launching your online business this year, guided by those who've tread the path and emerged victorious. Entering the online business sphere in 2024 is akin to stepping into a vast, bustling city. Every corner hums with activity, every niche seems occupied. Yet it's precisely this vibrancy that fuels the unfailing dynamism of the digital marketplace. Despite appearances, the digital terrain is evolving constantly, creating new crevices and opportunities for astute entrepreneurs who are quick to adapt and innovate. In this digital age, where technology advances by leaps and bounds, understanding the tools at your disposal is paramount. From sophisticated AI-driven market analysis tools to platforms that instantly connect you with global freelancers, the resources are immense. Harnessing these tools to carve out a unique niche or to enhance user experience can set you apart from the competition. It's crucial to keep abreast of emerging trends. For instance, the growing focus on sustainability has seen a surge in eco-friendly online businesses. Similarly, personalized and custom-made products continue to gain traction among consumers who seek something unique. Understanding such trends and aligning your business vision with them can be a game changer. Additionally, success tales abound, like that of Maria, who leveraged her small blog about sustainable living into a full-fledged eco-products empire through customer engagement and smart use of social media for marketing. These stories are testaments to the potential that still exists within the vast expanses of the internet. As the digital market grows, so too does the perception of saturation. However, true entrepreneurs see saturation not as a barrier, but as a challenge to be met with creativity and strategic planning. One of the most effective ways to cut through the noise is to offer a distinctive value proposition. What can you offer that is different or better than what is already available? Is it exceptional customer service, a unique product or service, or perhaps an innovative business model? One innovative approach is to utilize data more effectively. In the sea of online businesses, data is your compass. Tools like Google Analytics or more specialized software can provide insights into customer behavior, enabling you to tailor your offerings more accurately to your target audience. This could mean customizing products, altering your marketing strategy, or even pivoting your business direction entirely based on consumer behavior insights. Another strategy is to establish a strong community around your brand. In an era where everything is digital, human connection is valued more than ever. Brands that are able to create a sense of community and belonging among their customers tend to see more loyalty and advocacy. This strategy has been effectively utilized by companies like Glossier, which transformed from a beauty blog into a beauty empire by continuously engaging with its community of followers to determine product development and marketing strategies. Furthermore, collaboration over competition is a mantra that many successful online businesses have adopted. Partnering with other entrepreneurs can help you leverage each other's strengths and customer bases, which is especially valuable in crowded markets. By creating synergies with other businesses, not only do you spread out the risks, but also multiply the potential rewards. In conclusion, launching and scaling an online business in 2024 is undeniably challenging, yet incredibly rewarding. By understanding the current landscape and adopting innovative strategies to overcome perceived market saturation, aspirants can not only carve a niche for themselves, but also turn their digital ventures into thriving successes. Embedded in every challenge are the seeds of opportunity, ready to be nurtured by the visionary and the diligent. Aspiring digital entrepreneurs must gear up, for the digital renaissance is here, replete with boundless opportunities.